Guys, Rustle in the Jungle, Saturday, January 29th, 2022. It's about 3:15 p.m. This is a snow day extravaganza, making it a snow extravaganza. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the Rustle in the Jungle compound. Watch it on these steps. Yeah, that's all downhill. Several lives have been lost here. It's like Everest, man. You gotta take your time and step right. So, guys, there's a blizzard today, if you can't tell. So I got the bus stop in blizzard setup. I bet you never knew I had a blizzard curtain. So we moved the fire pit over a little bit. We half close off the bus stop, and then in here I've got a little like warm like vestibule. I bet you never knew that happened. But guys, I'm thankful for a snow day like today, because all you people that are out there shoveling, sanding, plowing, salting, and doing all that winter work, I don't always have to do stuff like that. So I get to come down to the river. Mind you, these are blizzard conditions here. We've got like 25-mile-an-hour winds. It's 12 degrees out. It's 32 up at the bus stop inside. But down here, man, it's just not happening today. Look at how all the snow came in. That's why I get the other bus stop. When there's a nor'easter coming in, everything behaves a little differently than the normal weather pattern. Are you fat? AccuWeather forecast. I am. And here we are. Yeah, there's snow. Lots of it. It's what they call like a blizzard, a nor'easter. Guy, it's your forecast. Real time. Camptown races, sing this song. God bless America, baby. Guys, Rustle in the Jungle. Being out here isn't for the faint of heart, man. I gotta tell you, I am geared up to the nines. I've got these Cabela's Trans-Alaskan pack boots with some cleats on the bottom. What I call my mailman snow pants with fleece lined inside. I've got Cabela's midweight fleece long johns underneath. This is an LL Bean parka. I got a hat on. I got a sweatshirt on. I got a fleece vest on. I've got an Under Armour shirt on and a t-shirt. Now you gotta dress in layers if you're gonna be out here and be comfortable. Say it's 12 degrees. With a fire it's nice, but man, dress right, you'll enjoy yourself. This is the I'm smart as a fart AccuWeather forecast. It's a blizzard. There's some snow. Smart as a fart AccuWeather forecast. Rustle in the Jungle. Live on Rustle in the Jungle TV. I gotta tell you, what kind of snow extravaganza would this be without an attempt at getting to the river? Let's see how we do. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, that ain't happening. Oh, shit. Here we go. Oh. Yeah. We stopped short. You think it's easy? Oh, jeez. Guys, we've tried the ice fishing sled, we've tried the toboggan. We're gonna try the green tube. I don't think we're gonna get very far, but if I jump on this thing, let's see how far we're gonna go. It's blizzard 2022. No! We failed at sledding. We had a good day. So I'm getting pelted in the face by snow. We're gonna wrap up the bus stop. You get inside, get warm, publish a video. Thanks for being my fan, man.